It's 2:15 in the afternoon. You're staring at your screen, but the words are swimming. Your brain feels like wet cardboard. You reach for another coffee, thinking you're just tired or lazy. But what if I told you that feeling isn't your fault? It's a biological event. Inside you, there's a hidden battery, and at this exact time of day, it's being drained by three invisible forces. Understanding them is the key to getting your energy back. The first drain is your internal clock. You have a primary 24-hour rhythm, but you also have a 12-hour one. Think of it like a harmonic echo. Around 1 to 3 p.m., your body experiences a natural pre-programmed dip in core temperature and a surge in sleep signals. It's like a miniature version of your nighttime sleep drive, a biological ghost telling you it's time for a rest even when your calendar says otherwise. The intensity of this dip can even depend on your personal chronotype. If you're a morning person, you might feel this crash earlier and sharper. If you're a night owl, it might hit later, but often harder because you're fighting against a schedule not built for you. The second drain is a chemical called adenosine. Imagine it as sleep pressure. From the moment you wake up, it slowly builds in your brain. The longer you're awake, the more you have and the sleepier you feel. Now, what does that morning coffee do? It doesn't get rid of adenosine, it just blocks the receptors, like putting your fingers in your ears. But the adenosine is still there, building up. By 2 p.m., as that caffeine starts to wear off, the floodgates open. All that accumulated sleep pressure hits you at once. That's the crash. The third drain is the insulin roller coaster. When you have a lunch high in simple carbs, white bread, pasta, sugary drinks, your blood sugar shoots up. In response, your body releases a flood of insulin to push that sugar into your cells for energy. But sometimes it overcorrects. It pushes too much sugar out of your blood, leading to a reactive dip. Your brain, which uses a huge amount of your body's glucose, is suddenly starved for fuel. We call it a food coma, but it's really a fuel crisis. So, how do you recharge this hidden battery? You don't need a complicated cure. You just need to support your body's natural systems with 3 simple fixes. First, the light reset. Step outside for 10 minutes. Bright, natural sunlight is a powerful signal to your brain. It suppresses the sleep hormone melatonin and essentially resets the alertness phase of your circadian rhythm. It's like telling your internal clock, hey, it's still daytime, stay awake. If you can't get outside, sitting by a bright window or using a specific therapy lamp can also help. Second, build a protein-fiber anchor for your lunch. Instead of fast-burning carbs that create that energy roller coaster, opt for slow-burning fuel. Think grilled chicken, beans, nuts, and leafy greens. Protein and fiber slow down how quickly sugar enters your bloodstream. This changes that jagged energy mountain into a smooth, gentle hill, giving you stable, sustained energy all afternoon. A simple trick? Eat your veggies first. That fiber creates a buffer that helps manage the carbs that follow. Third, use strategic hydration and movement. That brain fog is often a sign of mild dehydration. Drink a tall glass of cold water, then take a brisk 5-minute walk. This does 2 things. It increases blood flow and oxygen to your brain, and it helps your body clear out some of that adenosine that's been building up all day. It's like physically shaking the sleepiness away. That afternoon crash isn't a sign of weakness, it's a predictable response from your body. It's the circadian dip, the adenosine buildup, and the insulin roller coaster all hitting at once. But by using light to reset your clock, food to stabilize your fuel, and movement to clear the fog, you can learn to work with your body, not against it. You can keep that hidden battery charged and turn your afternoon slump into a launch pad for a productive, energized rest of your day.